Hi guys, so this is Gran Market night in Jamaica. Lots of people are up and about. So just doing short videos to show you. So this is 2021 Christmas Eve in Manchester, Jamaica. Jamaica up and live. So there it is, Jamaica. Destination Jamaica. People on the roadside with them jerk chicken. And this is Gran Market. These are the different clothes that you can come get, guys. Gran Market night in Jamaica. Alright, let's go to the side. Since everybody, well, following the COVID protocols with masks on face. The different clothes.
It's going to Italy. It's a better Gran Market than last year. Better Gran Market. Last Gran Market we had a restricted time. 10 o'clock. For the curfew time. This year, the curfew time goes on 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Yeah, 1 o'clock it goes. Last year it was 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Restricted curfew time, 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
And this year is much better.
Okay.
Lots of money, plenty of money circulate.
Yeah.
Plenty of money circulate.
Yeah.
Honestly, plenty of money circulate.
So tell us about some of your stuff them.
Huh?
Tell about some of your stuff.
When my stuff them I sell most like work skirt and casual skirt.
Pretty.
Work and church skirt. These are church skirts.
When is Scally away?
I'm talking. And these are casual jeans.
Okay.
Colors.
Yeah.
I'm kind of run out of jeans because most of them gone already. That's what I'm telling you, so the Gran Market is good.
Yeah.
This one, over the years I'm selling in Malibu. More than 20 years now, this is the best Gran Market I have.
And which part people can find you?
Huh?
If people want to support you in their future.
You can find me anywhere, Mother's Party right here. Sorry, or in the market.
Yeah, man.
Start from Brown Man.
Brown man.
The skirt man, Brown Man.
Alright. Thanks, Brown man.
Thank you, bro.
Yes. Alright, guys, so support the team. Come out and support the vendors. They have all kind of stuff going on. And the skirts are really nice. $1,000 for the skirt, $2,000 for the jean skirts. Right by Mothers. So Gran Market is in session, up and live with everything. People are feel good going until 1 p.m. and the man said the best Gran Market him ever see. So yeah. So hope you enjoy the content. We'll get some more videos, alright? So guys, this is the vendors are up and live on this Gran Market day. We have people out the road. Just want to show you that. Guys, we're in the park right now. So Pia Pepper Lights. Manchester, Jamaica. Yeah. Alright guys, that's it. Gran Market is in session. We hope you enjoy the content. Subscribe, like, share for more. Have a blessed Gran Market Christmas Eve night. Chat tomorrow. See you?